Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all you are fine and studying well. I am Samir, and today I am going to teach you chapter number 12, Social Science Semester 2. So, in previous two video, you learnt about the North America and the South America geographical structure, vegetations, and wildlife. So now let's continue our chapter. Among the seven continents, Europe is one of the continent. Now let's learn about Europe continent. This is the political map of Europe. We can know about new things from the internet. Moreover, we can make friends in far off places countries. हम फेसबुक इंस्टाग्राम कई ऐसी एप्लीकेशंस पे अपने दूर के फ्रेंड्स बनाते हैं. Bhavya had made friends with Alphonse in from Paris, and he had sent a beautiful snap of different places of Europe. और उसने यूरोप के कई सारे स्नैप्स फोटोज उसको भेजे. लेट्स सी एंड लर्न अबाउट इट. About the Europe, the biggest peninsula of the world, दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा द्वीपकल्प. Eurasia is separated from Asia by Ural Mountains. यूरेशिया जो है वो यूराल माउंटेन से एशिया से अलग हुआ है. लेक लाडोगा is the largest freshwater lake of the world, located in Russia. It is spread over 16 lakh square kilometer and 64 crore people live in this continent. Bhavya said, I shall now tell you about the perennial rivers. Perennial rivers का मतलब यहाँ पे है जो नदी हर साल बहती है, कभी रुकती नहीं है, यानी हर साल, यानी बारहमासी नदी जिसे बोलते हैं, हर साल बहने वाली नदी को बोलते हैं पेरेनियल रिवर्स. द राइन, वोल्गा, डेन्यूब एक्सेट्रा आर द मेन रिवर्स ऑफ द यूरोप. Now, vegetation and climate, land and agriculture of the Europe. The effect of geography and the climate is seen on the land of Europe. Norway and Sweden, located to the north of Europe, has a grey soil, while southern Europe has a dark brown cranozem soil. The Mediterranean region is famous for orchards of citrus fruit. Citrus fruit is like संतरा जैसा फ्रूट के ऑर्चिड वहाँ पे देखने को मिलते हैं. Its wheat and corn crops also. The European continent is divided into two parts, east and west, due to its geography. Here 75% people are engaged in agriculture, whereas in the plains of Eastern Europe and the mountainous region of Western Europe, only 25% people are involved in farming. Now, minerals and industries. The western part of Ural Mountains of Europe produce 56% of minerals of the world. It produces mainly iron, coal, bauxite and potash. Coal is obtained from Rural province of Germany and iron from Kyona province of Russia. Due to this, iron steel industry has developed well in Europe. In comparison to the area, the density of the population is more in Europe than other continents. Most of the people live in cities. Now let's see about the European country like Russia. Russia is the biggest country in terms of area. रशिया जो है वो बहुत ही बड़ी कंट्री है एरिया के हिसाब से. मॉस्को इज द कैपिटल ऑफ रशिया. The rivers of Russia in Europe are long, with freeze in the winter. Only 10% of the land of European and Russia is suitable for agriculture. 50% of the working people are dependent on the agriculture. Its main crop is wheat. 25% of the total production of wheat of the world produced Russia. यानी कि दुनिया का 25% जो टोटल प्रोडक्शन है वीट का, गेहूं का, वो रशिया उत्पादित करता है. सो यू नो अबाउट द लैंड ऑफ द मिडनाइट सन, नॉर्वे. दिस पिक्चर इज गिवन हियर. नाउ लेट्स अबाउट द इंग्लैंड. इंग्लैंड इज सिचुएटेड ऑन द सी साइड, हैविंग मॉडर्न आइडियोलॉजी एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. It enjoys a moderate climate in winter due to the warm current that flow from Atlantic Ocean. The heat reduced when it moves from west to east. 4% of the land of England is covered by forest. Coal is the main mineral produced here. France. France is the biggest democracy of Europe. फ्रांस जो है यूरोप की सबसे बड़ी लोकशाही देश है ये फ्रांस. एंड पेरिस इज इट्स कैपिटल. फ्रांस का कैपिटल जो है वो पेरिस है. इट इज शेप लाइक हेक्सागन. माउंट बाल्क 4830.20 मीटर, हाईएस्ट पीक ऑफ द वेस्ट यूरोप. इट इज लोकेटेड इन फ्रांस. रिवर सीन रिवर, द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर ऑफ द फ्रांस, is used as a waterway, जिसका waterways के उपयोग में आता है पानी. Wheat is produced in France. Minerals such as coal, iron and bauxite and salt are available here in less quality. Germany. Germany is landlocked country surrounded by Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, France, Switzerland, Austria, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Poland and Denmark. Supposed to ask you an exam, which country is known as a landlocked country, and which are the neighborhood countries of Germany? So you have to answer that: Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, France, Switzerland, Austria, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Poland and Denmark. Berlin is its capital of the Germany. Germany is mainly divided into two natural parts. The first one is snow deposited soil and sandy plains, and second is mountain regions of Alps in south. The other, Elbe and Rhine, are the main rivers of the Germany. Most of the rivers are used as the waterways. There is a difference between climatic conditions of eastern and western part of Germany. As we move from the west to east, the winters are colder and summers are hotter. In South Germany, winter is moderate. Now, one of the most attractive place of the Europe is Eiffel Tower of France, Rome of Italy, Venice in Italy. The effect of climate is seen on the vegetations. Coniferous forest in the cold regions, where in the moderate provinces oak, beech, ash and the beech trees are found. Coal and iron are obtained from Ruhr and Tyson. Germany is leading country of the world in engineering industry. The main cities of the Germany are Munich, Hamburg, Frankfurt and Stuttgart. Okay, now you have to read thoroughly lesson one more time so you can understand and remember more fact about this continent. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you.